Good morning, grade 7s. Unit 1, revision part 4. This is the last one for Unit 1. And the focus is percent. Percent. A percent can be thought of as a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100%, meaning per 100. We usually write it with the percent sign, as you can see right there, where the pointer is. For example, 34% read as 34% is equal to 34 over 100 or 0.34. Or if you want to add a ratio, 34 to 100. Percent as a ratio. A percent can also be thought of as a special ratio that compares a number to 100. Example, the ratio of 11 to 100 is 11 over 100, which equals 11% and also equals 0.11. Converting common and decimal fractions to percent. To convert a decimal to a percent, multiply it by 100. So change 0.35 to a percent. 0.35 equals 35 over 100 equals 35%. To convert a common fraction to a percent, either rewrite it as a fraction over 100 or change it to a decimal and multiply by 100. Fill in the missing blanks in the table below. I'll do some and then the rest will be up to you. Like I said, make sure you have a pencil and paper. 29 to 100 is the ratio. The fraction would be 29 over 100. Decimal is 0.29%, is 29%. 7 to 100. Fraction 7 over 100. The decimal would be 0.07, not 0.7, 0.077%. 125 to 100 is 125 over 100, which is 1.25, and the percent is 125%. The last two, we'll leave them to you to do. Finding the percent of a number. If we want to find a percent of a number, change the percent to a decimal and multiply. So what is 28% of 150? 28% of 150 is the same as 28% times 150 or 0.28 times 150 equals 42. Find the following percent of each number. 45% of 180. So change the 45 to 0.45 and multiply it by 180 and it equals 81. Not 81%, the number 81. B, 12.5% of 80. You would change 12.5% to 0.125 times 80. Answer is 10. So 12.5% of 80 is 10. Try C, 120% of 60. I'll give you a hint, 120 is going to equal 1.2. Jack earned $450 for a week's work. If he paid 32% of it in taxes, how much did he pay in taxes? So all you have to do is 450 times 0.32, and the answer is 144. He paid 144 in taxes. Number 3 is a bit different because you're going to have to multiply, because additional, so you have to multiply 35 by 6% and then add back to 35 to get the total. So try that one on your own. Converting with percent. These are very straightforward. We've had a lot of practice throughout the year with these. Write each decimal as a percent. I'll do the ABC and then you'll be left with the rest to do on your own. 0.03 equals 3%. 0.18 equals 18%. 1.29 equals 129%. Number 24, write each percent as a decimal. 32% equals 0.32. 7% equals 0.07. 135% equals 1.35. D, E, and F, do it on your own. And there's decimals within the percent. Don't let that trick you. Just move it over 2 places to the left and you will get your decimal. Write each fraction or mixed number as a percent. 3 over 100 equals 3%. 1 over 4 equals 25 over 100, which equals 25%. 3 over 5 equals 60 over 100, which equals 60%. I'll do D, and E and F will be for you to do on your own. 2.5 would equal 2.5, which equals 250%. Percent problems. Find each of the following percents. Same like the previous slide. 30% of 80 would be 0.3 times 80 equals 24. 24% of 150 is 0.24 times 150 equals 36. C, 5.5% of 120 is 0.055 times 120 equals 6.6. And D, 40% of 45 is 0.4 times 45 equals 18. You are to do E and F on your own. Jim bought a fishing rod which was listed for $32. He paid 7% sales tax in addition to this price. How much did he pay in total for the rod? So this is addition. So first you need to multiply the 32 by the 7% and then add it back to the 32 to find the total value. 32 times 7% equals $2.24. So $32 plus $2.24. He paid $34.24 in total. Charlene bought a coat on sale for 30% of the regular sale price. So now we're going to be taking off, because when they say sale, that means you're subtracting. So first you need to do $169.50 times 30%, so times 0.3. And that answer, you go and subtract it from 169.5 and figure out the answer. Good luck, and make sure to get your bell work done on time.